First is you are connect one to another. Why connect? Because you are communication some you know give and send receive some files. So point to point topology first created of map, first ideas, and first connection in network. First network. This is old generation start by scientists. So what is the point to point topology? Let's start this video. So friend, before start my video, I'm give one type of message for you. So how you visit my channel? So why this type online interest discussion and click on search, and you can see this type my logo. Click on
So
here and
this is a
you can visit my this channel. Okay, everything you want the information related, computer related, advanced computer hardware, network, software, everything playlist I am already created. So click on playlist and you can see you want any computer hardware related information, computer network courses related information. So click on and visit my playlist, and I'm continuously one by one time to time I'm update my new video and upload video. So you can very good knowledge for increase your knowledge, and very important for information for you. You are computer beginner, so you can select control panel options and other Microsoft already uncreated videos. You can see this is the control panel, everything information give in my video. You can see this is a very important for you. Windows operating 7, 8, 9, Windows 10.
so friends, this
Every
is a
your operating system you can control using it. This is a very important setting. So operating system related information I'm already created in this my video. So you can see this is a very important for you, and you visit my other playlist. You can see Windows 7 basic related. What is a Windows 7? What is a Windows 7 inside the settings and information related I'm already created. What is a 64-bit? What is a 32-bit? So I'm already created everything. So click on subscribe button, click on bell icon, because every time
so
I'm
friends, this is a my online
upload new videos, so first notify and first notification message in your mobile computer. So click on subscribe, click on like button, and visit for my playlist. So thank you. Point to point topology is a simple topology. Simple topology means that connect two nodes directly together with a common link. I will show you how this systems here. The entire bandwidth of the common link is reserved for transmission between those two nodes in simplex mode of communication. Signals flow in one direction, and only one node transmit and the other receive. Just you can see just here you have two PC. First scientist starting network technology, starting network computer. 14 year means 1970 in first PC1 PC2 some scientists created, because the computer create a company, but communication how possible. So computer engineer start first thing and beginning start of topology, main of ideas by this topology, point to multi-point topology. That means point to point topology is based first start, and second point to multi-point topology, and third different wide continuous start topology ideas. So first understand we are only point to point topology. So you have two PC1 PC2, okay, and you are connect, okay, you have PC1 means your laptop, your desktop, anything, and you have second PC2, okay, So this is a second PC, second your PC, okay, and you are connect with only one cable. So what is the theory? You can see just point to point topology is a simple topology, okay, simple topology. You have two PC, okay, you are connect one pin through this wire and connect other pin wires. That is a point to point topology, means point to point topology, okay. Two computer communication means two computer in the network. You can this type call here, okay. So the inter bandwidth of the common link is reserved for transmission between those two nodes, okay. Two communication systems between transmission, okay, transmit, you can transmit your data, files, anything. That is a two nodes, okay, in simplex mode, in simplex mode of communication. Simple, that is a simplex mode communication, means one computer enter high and send this file, second computer receive and file opening and watching this high, that is a communication. Second PC hello and click on send, that is a send your file, and first PC open file, that is a watching your hello, that is a communication signal flows, okay, in one direction only, okay. One direction means one cable, okay, one cable here, that is a one communication system, and only one node transmit, one node transmit here, okay, and the other receive. So first computer send any data, so second only receive, okay, because this is a one direction systems. That is a computer system. And second called router. Router, what is a router? I will discuss in network series, but I'm just showing point to point topology. One router here and second router here. So point to point topology work in these systems here. One cable to second cable, you can see that first cable node and second cable node. Two communication between two devices. That is the point to point topology. One router communication with second router communication, okay, router 1, router 2, okay. Third is switch. What is a switch? I will discuss in the next some video. So you can see just this is one type of router. Router is one type of device in using your network system communication, okay. And second is switch, okay. So one router to connect second switch means you can see just here one node first connect here and second node connect first here. This is a router to switch. It is called point to point topology, okay. So what is the advantage of point to point topology? What is the disadvantage of point to point topology? So point to point topology have highest bandwidth because there is only two nodes, okay, because there is a two type nodes having inter bandwidth of a link that called high bandwidth. Bandwidth means speed of your data transfer, very fast compared to other network, very fast network of other network topologies, because it can access only two nodes, okay, no traffic, no more data, only one side single traveling data. That is a very fast technology, very simple connectivity, okay. This is a very simple, you can connect in your home. You have a two PC, desktop or laptop to laptop, okay. So you can watch in my this video how connect to another one to one so you can watch my home connection Okay, so control panel series, inside you can watch my control panel. Inside you can find my video of home group video. Okay, so in this video, very completely simply connectivity into a computer. It provides low latency, very good of advantage, easy handle and maintain, very easy, because one of cable using two computer size and maintain computer node can be replaced in 5 seconds. Why? Because one side node may be problem, so you can change in other, replace your data cables. That is a 5 second, only 5 second using. That is the advantage of point to point topology. What is the disadvantage of point to point topology? First, this topology is only for small areas where nodes are closely located. This is a disadvantage of point to point topology, because you cannot connect more and large area. Small area you can see your your bedrooms, your kitchen side, maybe you are using your computer one to another, and you are using a dining table, hall, any side. You are only two computer. The entire network depends on common channel. In case of link broken, entire network will become dead. What is this? What is this is a meaning of these details? The entire network depends on common channel. Every network have a channel. Without channel, you cannot start your systems. So entire network depends on the common channel. Okay. Common channel means your API protocols. What is our protocols? I will discuss in network series. But this is in case a link broken. Any time your your one computer start and second computer shut down, maybe power off. That is, you cannot communication to other computer. That is your connection dead, means your connection stop. Okay. Third is very there is another major drawback of this topology. There are only two nodes. Okay, if any node stop working, data cannot be transferred across the network. This is a simple of think of a system. Any side your cables, your nodes break, either data your data cables crack, so you cannot transfer your anytime working systems. That is a disadvantage of point to point topology, because this is network only two connectivity, only 2 point side. Okay, so that is the point to point topology. I will discuss next time point to multi-point topology. What is a point to multi-point topology, and where is using a point to point multi-point topology? I will discuss in next video. Okay, next video. Okay, so this is a I'm connect again showing you point to point topology have two nodes, one node here, one node here. Okay, and these connect by only one cable here. Okay, so this is one computer connect on another computer. Okay, so this is a two system. Okay, your computer this shut down, so that this computer not start, means computer start but not communication with these systems. And maybe your this side node, your pin, your crack, or either break systems here, so you cannot communication this computer to another computer, because these communication by these cables here. Okay, So I will discuss next some video about how these point to point using straight to cable RJ45 cable, this type here. Okay, RJ45 cable you can using by point to point topology. Continue this my video in watching my this network series here, so completely you understand what is a network systems here. Okay, so disadvantage and disadvantage completely understand. Okay, and next video I will continue point to multi-point topology. So thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day. For my motivation, click on bell icon, click on like button, and thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day. So you have a new video notifications and message. So click on bell icon and please like my channel. So thanks for watching my video. You have any unique question, any problem, so comment me. I will give you answer. Okay, so thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day. Next video continue next time point to multi-point topology. So have a good day.